Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by forcing the console into performance mode and applying the obvious but necessary updates. This reduces system-side frame stalls immediately. Once done, fully close background apps and restart the console to clear transient memory. Make sure R6 and the console firmware are both the latest versions, because patches often fix engine hiccups. Also check your storage. Games on the internal SSD or a non-saturated drive load textures faster, which prevents stutters later in a match. You next tune Rainbow 6 Siege settings to reduce GPU and CPU overhead. Drop render scale, switch off motion blur, and lower texture detail to balance clarity versus performance. Once configured, disable VSync or dynamic resolution features that can introduce inconsistent frame pacing when the console struggles. Make sure to test with a wired Ethernet connection. If you see packet loss or lag spikes, assign a static IP and forward the game ports to cut network-related. You finish by validating your changes. Use a performance overlay or record gameplay clips to watch for consistent frame delivery. Once done, clear the console cache, and if available, run a database rebuild or safe mode repair to fix corrupted entries that cause slowdowns. Also inspect cooling, dust and blocked vents throttle CPU/GPU speeds. If that still fails, backup saves and consider a factory reset. If you need extra help, capture logs and reach out to Ubisoft support with your system details as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.